up, y'all? Today I'm about to show y'all how to take a bird bath. You know, this is real necessary when you in a rush. You know, so what you gotta do here is, you know, get some soap and a rag. You know, wet it up. Get that real soapy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit all this right here. You know, hit all that up real good. You know, get behind the elbows. You know, definitely up on the shoulders. Stay above the torso. You definitely want to stay above there. You know, going anywhere below there is not cool. You know, so definitely stay.